Annas, did you know that frogs can be the superheroes of our environment? These little amphibians are like the canaries in the coal mine for ecosystems. When frogs start disappearing, it's a big red flag that something's wrong with the environment. Their sensitive skin absorbs everything from the water, making them perfect bioindicators. If pollution levels rise, frogs are the first to show signs of distress. It's like they're wearing invisible capes, alerting us to danger. So, next time you hear a frog croak, remember, they're not just making noise, they're saving the world.